Welcome back to my channel. This is Manimal. Today we're going to talk about 3 urban legends about the ghost bird. Number 3. My grandma used to tell me that if you hear the ghost bird at night, it meant that a person in our neighborhood was going to die. Now I understand why, because if you pay attention closely, you understand that the sound that the bird makes is similar to a person who is crying at a funeral. Let's take a look at it. Urban legend number 2 about the ghost bird. My grandma used to tell me, if you hear the ghost bird at night, it's a shape-shifting person. It was believed that this bird was actually a witch that could change or transform into an animal. And what you do was, people used to say, stop by my house tomorrow, let's drink some coffee in the morning. And the first person who got to your home was the ghost bird the night before. Urban legend number 1. My grandma used to say, never imitate a ghost bird. If you try to imitate the ghost bird, a terrible thing will happen to you in the near future. So it was believed that you would be cursed if you try to imitate the sound the ghost bird made. As always, thank you for your support. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and drop a like. This is Manimal 507.